Hi, Mayprisha. Would like to do Dungeon Blast today. We're going in as a thief, hopefully. I'll have to be quick because I want to set my keybinds as well. So, there's that. Come on. Dungeon Blast. Searching for players. Accept game. Yes, indeed. There we go. Yay, we got thief. This is how this is how I had set up my original thief when and booster I had on home, because I still have the 10 key, but yeah. Gonna see if these guys know what's up. Okay, that's not really the strat, but alright. We can go. We can try that. Did I haste already? I hope I did. Still kind of sus about this, but okay. Alright, make sure everyone has haste. Where the hell are they going? What the hell are they doing, boy? Bruh. Alright, well I guess I'll farm these for a bit, and then at like 7.5 I'll move to the mushrooms. The horny mushrooms. Let's go. I guess these are the new strats the kids are playing with here. Good luck, bro. They said I can't help ya. Or homegirl. Yeah, these are way too strong. Plus, this is like this. All right. Well, hopefully he kills them fast. Okay, cool. Zombie mushroom time. Come on, guys. Zombie mushroom. Healer. On plat. On plat. Cool. I'm gonna haste again just in case. I know the haste is for an hour, but I just want to make sure. Alright, well I guess this strat works too, but I feel like if we all ganged up on Golem, we would have been faster. And then we could have... Because you saw how long that was taking to kill one of those when I walked in at 8. Like, that was like 5 hits versus 1-shots of all the mushrooms. Like, that's like 3 mushrooms per one of those mushrooms. That's like 3 horny mushroom or green mushrooms per 1 horny or a cursai. Are those cursais? Whatever. Like, basically the same, but I feel like I feel like the first map, if we stayed, would have been slightly faster. Nonetheless. Like, these are taking forever. I should be hunting the purple ones. I one-shot those. If I do the back. Oh, messed up that one. It's kind of hard to... A little difficult to aim those when they're stacked on top of each other like that. Come on, no. 17, oh yeah, boss time. Get over here, Stirge. I want some bat blood. Bob is, look, Bob. Tell me where Bob is! Do you think he ever questions why he runs back and forth all alone by himself on this platform? Like, does he know he's a fodder mini-boss? Yeah. Better to save Snail for Balrog when he uses his shield. I don't know if that reduces to ones. I feel like that does, but also I've seen where the shield just kind of reduces damage. I guess we'll find out right now. I'm going to pay attention extra. Maybe I wasn't looking right. Oh. I've seen that strat where you just grab a rope. Okay. Oh, there we go. That's the snail time. Snail time! Snail time! Ooh. Mano. Oh snap! Keep going. Let's go. Grind, 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 grind. Dang, that was a pretty good run. Good job, guys. Teamwork, teamwork. I'm glad he spoke up. I mean, who knows? Maybe that was a better strat. That was technically my best time. That I have on that's technically the best time I have on record, right? So, unless does she tell you your best time? Let's find out. Because I've done this a few times already. No record info. That's whack. We've cleared 6 times. Whatever. This has been Maple Island Dungeon Blasts with Mayprisha. Hope you guys had a blast watching. I had a blast blasting with the thief and the slicing and dicing. Stay tuned for the other 2 parts, and also an infinity race if that's not up yet.